My name is Jess Billy. I'm doing interior design, level 6. Today we are going to make lighting fixtures. So we are using creativity to make lighting fixtures where bulb can be fixed.
We'll be doing light fixtures. These are common light fixtures that are usually used with bulbs. This is how we are making them. We use balloons, whereby we wind threads around the balloons, and then when they dry, we pop the balloons. So they're used to hold the bulbs and they'll be decorative. So we are having several colors. For example, the blue, the yellow, the orange, and other many colors that are bright.